Hello! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the connections option and tap on it. And here, find the Wi-Fi option and select it. Now, make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled. If it's disabled, tap on the switch to enable it. And once the Wi-Fi is enabled, you can scroll down and below the all of the lists of like saved networks and stuff like that, you should see the list of networks that is called, the list is called available networks. And here you have the list of networks that you can connect to. Find the network you want to connect to, for example, this one. Let's tap on it to select it. And once you select the network and it's protected by password, you need to tap right here, enter, and then right here to enter the password. So let me give me a couple of seconds to enter the password. Okay, and once you enter the password, you can tap on connect. Okay, and as you can see, we are connected to this network now. And once you're done, you can simply press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.